Hello and welcome back to Spekd. Today I'm going to be replacing the base of this assault marine and making it larger, just to bring it up to modern day standards. Now I got this off of eBay and I'm going to make these simple adjustments. First off, I'm going to cut off the edges of the original base. The easiest way to do that I find is cut towards the model from the base, but just keep that original lip at the top. Work your way around, making a few clips, and then you'll turn the model to the side and cut that through. Doesn't take very long. Now if it is a slotter base, make sure to cut out the centre part of the slot. Once that's done, it's flat, get some glue. I'm going to use my favourite glue here. A couple of drops and put it onto the new base in the position where you want it to stand once you're done. Now I'm going to start building up the edge of the base. Get some white glue, leave it as neat. I'm going to start adding some materials, and I'm going to start off with tea bag here. This is the inside of a tea bag. I've literally ripped it open. I'm just going to drop it on. Once I've had enough of that, I'm going to grab some cinnamon and then put that on. And if you remember back to my first videos, this is the technique that I used to use for grinding. It was a bit harder to see due to resolution, so I thought, two birds, one stone. Right, once you've got that done, let that dry for a bit, and I'm going to start adding greenery. That's really simple. Go back to my cinnamon, touch up where I need to, but I start off with mixed herbs, just drop those on quite easily where I need it, not too much. And that's just ready, let that dry just to prepare for the G-dub sprinkles. Should I say Games Workshop grass. There we go, once I've added that on, just adds a little bit more texture. You can see it dries and it will stay. And that's done. I actually added a few lines, changed the colour of his plasma weapon there, and just kind of touched it up a little, blued the vents to kind of bring him into connection to models that I currently have. Still will work on the paint job, but for now, as an eBay rescue, that's fine to hit the battlefield. And that'd be great for the themed army. Now for those of you doing conquest, eBay is quite a good place to buy additional models to build your army. But anyway, thank you for your time. I've enjoyed my time. It's just quick and sweet. Hopefully that helps you out. I've got a feeling we're going to see more of these models, the assault marines, on the tabletops, and eBay is a great place to save money for these kind of things. So anyway, it's just a quick one. This has been Spekd. I've enjoyed my time. Hopefully you enjoyed yours, and this has been helpful for you. PC out.